Today I'm showing one of the most popular breakfast dish made out of cream of wheat. This is loaded with lots of vegetables, flavored with brown mustard seeds, lots of ginger, green chili, and all vegetables that I've shown here can be added, or any vegetable of your choice. The main ingredients are the onions, green chilies, cilantro, and tomatoes. First we are going to toast cream of wheat. It is called as sooji. This is cream of wheat, called as sooji in Indian stores. In American stores it is called as cream of wheat. You can use either, it works the same. Okay, so take a pan like this, and I have taken half cup of cream of wheat and add oil or ghee. For half a cup I have added about a tablespoon of oil. If there is more oil, it is much easier to deal with it when we are pouring hot water or when it is dropped into hot broth. Okay, so keep the flame should be medium to high, not very high, not very low. So toast this golden brown, patiently stir. Don't let it burn. If you don't stir, it will burn. So right consistency is golden brown or little toasty. If you are a beginner, it takes a little practice. Once you get the hang of it, it will be much easier. So just, it is saturated with oil and toast it. So I'll let you know approximately how much time it took for it to toast. So switch it off. See, it is done. Okay. So now we are making the sauce or the broth. Oil. For flavor, I have taken about half tablespoon, and I have taken half tablespoon of butter. You can use ghee or butter. Usually we use ghee, but probably it is convenient if you have butter. If you don't have ghee, then you can just use this. Now add mustard and cumin. Because we use butter, it didn't.
Hot enough? So she's starting?
Yeah.
Okay.
So wait for the brown mustard to pop.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Next?
And then you add green chili.
That's not a chili.
And why I didn't cut into small pieces, if somebody doesn't want, they can just pick it out.
सब तेज कटना है.
So then add ginger. Let ginger toast a little. Add onions. Fry the onion a little until it becomes translucent. Then add tomatoes. Add tomatoes and let the tomatoes fry a little in the oil. Then add salt to taste. Stir it and let it cook a little, and then add all the vegetables. Once you add all the vegetables, let it fry for about, I would say, 2 minutes in the oil. There will be little bit of moisture drawn out as you add salt to the tomatoes. So that moisture will cook these vegetables a little. And now you can add water. The water measure would be 1:3. That is, if you have taken 1 measure of cream of wheat, add 3 parts of water. And now you can add the frozen peas and the herbs that you have chopped, that is cilantro and curry leaves, to the water, and mix everything and let it simmer and cook the vegetables. Close the lid and let it simmer. Make sure all the vegetable is cooked well. Now you can check the taste of the broth here. If it needs salt, you can add at this point. Make sure all the vegetables are cooked and has softened, and then you can add the cream of wheat that it's been toasted to this and stir it well. Make sure there are no lumps. Mix it really well and close it, and make sure the heat is at low because the cream of wheat cooks really fast. Cream of wheat has cooked. It has soaked up all the water, but still it needs a little time for all the taste to combine. So keep it on very low heat. Keep stirring. Make sure it doesn't burn in the bottom. Close the lid halfway through like this and let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now it is ready. You can plate it like this. You can use a small cup to make a mold and present it like this.